Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm, and you probably have a Aquifer tunnel single stand kit for the garden. So I'm just going to show you how to put it together. It's really simple. Really no tools required. You've got your stand, okay? You just want any fittings hand tight. They don't need to be over tightened. You're going to turn your water off at the hydrant, so. Okay, so you're going to take these tubings, you're going to put them on either side of the quick connect, get them in there, and then just hand tight. Okay, then you have two other fittings. Okay, those get pushed on just like that. Then you just clamp them down. Simple. Okay, then you have an end cap, right? Because your garden hose is going on here. Okay, so you just run your garden hose and it will screw on. And then this caps it off. This is for if you want to chain them, right? So you would add your garden hose here to the next one if you have two of them or three of them. And that just caps it off. And then you screw this in. Now, these should go in very easily. So if it's not, you don't want to thread it. You don't want to mess it up, right? So just, back it out. See how easy it should go in? Okay. And then it's just hand tight. Okay. Now, we're going to put the stake. Okay. So the first one goes through the stake. Okay. And then it comes with a little bit of Loctite, which is a little blue liquid. It comes in a little bottle. I don't have one here, but Carson's going to cut to it. But you just put that thread lock on there. This will make sure that these nuts don't slide off. They stay wherever you're going to put them, but you can still move them. Okay. Okay, so you want it not tight. You just want to be able to slide it up and down. Okay. Then this is going to go around here at that part of the T. Okay. Then you put the back plate here. Okay. And then again, you use thread lock. Then put your nuts on there. Okay. Okay, so that when you go to put it in the ground, you can slide the stake. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so you just, okay, that's it. You can go deeper or whatever, it doesn't matter. And then just, make sure it's straight. You're good to go. Done. Thanks for watching. Until next time.